Hello! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. So, start off by deleting this cat, hover over the choose a sprite button and paint. So I'm just gonna paint a cookie. So, now we have a cookie. So let's make the code. So, events, when green flag clicked, control, forever, if, operators, and, sensing, mouse down, touching, mouse pointer. Wait until, operators, not, sensing, mouse down. So, in here, we're going to have the code. So, why do we do this instead of making when this sprite clicked? This is because this only works when the green flag is clicked. So it's a bit nicer if you want to stop the project when you click the stop. So, variables. Make a variable. You can call it cookies or something like that. For all sprites. You can delete this my variable if you want. In the beginning, we set cookies to 0. Change cookies by 1. So if we show cookies, if we start a project, when we click the cookie, we get cookies. And when we restart the project, our cookies sets to 0. So now let's make some upgrades. So choose a sprite, paint, and just draw a button. So here, +1 cookie per click. So now we go to the code and we can put this where we would like it to be, like there maybe. So now, events, when green flag clicked, control, forever, if, operators, and, sensing, mouse down, touching, control, wait until, operators, not, sensing, mouse down. So now we want to change the cookies per click. So we make a new variable called CPC, or cookies per click. In the beginning we set cookies per click to 1, so we get 1 cookie every time we click the cookie. So if mouse down and touching mouse pointer, we want to change CPC, or cookies per click, by 1. So if we show the CPC variable and we start, it sets to 1 and cookies to 0. If we click the cookie, we get 1 cookie per click. If we click this +1 CPC button, we get 1 CPC. And now every time we click the cookie, we still get 1. So if we change this, change cookies by 1 with CPC, now we get 2 cookies every time we click. If we +1 CPC again, we get 3 cookies per click. So now let's make this cost. So we can do control, if, around everything, operators, or bigger than, equals, variables, cookies is bigger than 60, we can say, or cookies is equal to 60. So now this checks if it's bigger than 60 or exactly 60. So now when we press this button, it doesn't work. But if we get 60 cookies, we can now buy it. So I'm just gonna go into costumes here and write 60 cookies. So now let's say we want some automation. So we want to change the cookies per second. So let's make a new variable called CPS, or cookies per second. Click OK and show that variable. And now we can do, in the backdrops, events, when green flag clicked, variables, set CPS to 0. Control, forever, wait 1 second, variables, we can change cookies by CPS. So we can go into this sprite too. We can rename it to by CPC, and this cookie we can call it cookie. So we can go into this by CPC button, and this by CPC sprite, we can duplicate it by right clicking, and then we can change this to by CPS. We can go into the costumes, change it to CPS. We can buy this for 100 cookies. We can place it above here if we want, and we can change all the CPC variables to CPS, and change this cookies is bigger than 60 to bigger than 100, or equal to 100. So now we are pretty much done. So if we go into full screen, we press play. If we click the cookie 60 times, we can click this one CPC button and we get one CPC. So now it's a lot faster. But oh wait, it doesn't remove the cookies. So we need to do that. So go into the by CPC and choose change cookies by -60. Go into the by CPS button and change cookies by -100. So now we are done. Press play. We can click the cookie. And now we have 60 cookies. We can buy 1 CPC. Now we have 2. Now we get doubled every time we click. So now when we have 100, we can buy this 1 CPS. And now we get 1 cookie every second. So thank you for watching this tutorial. And you can change a lot of things. For example, you can make this cookie spin or something like that. You can make the buttons more cool. You can change the background. You can add more upgrades. Or you can make these variables look better with sprite clones or stamps. That's all for this episode. Goodbye!